So guys, if you are also a Snapchat user, then this video is going to be very helpful for you because Snapchat has released a brand new feature for selfie settings. And friends, in today's video we will discuss how this feature exactly work and how you can use this feature to improve and optimize your selfie. And friends, to use this feature you have to open your front camera because in the back camera the feature will not show. So as you tap on your front camera you will see the feature of selfie settings. So friends, first of all let us know why Snapchat has released the selfie settings feature. So guys, as you know that Snapchat has used in different devices by different users, but the major issue is that majorly devices are not well optimized to click high quality and well optimized picture. And friends, to improve and solve this issue, Snapchat has launched the selfie settings feature, and by using this feature you can optimize and choose settings for your selfie according to your device and your need. And to use this feature, simply open your front camera and then tap on the selfie settings option. So friends, here you will get to see a lot of options and features. So friends, if you don't know much about selfie settings, you can choose auto. By choosing auto, Snapchat will automatically set a default setting for your selfie settings. But if you want to improve for your concealer, you can choose this, and you can also increase the number. If you want more glow in your face, you can choose foundation, and if you want that your teeth looks much whiter, you can choose this option. And for lip, for eyelashes, you will get different options. So guys, if you know much about the selfie settings or this option, you can use this option. Otherwise you can choose auto, and after making the settings, tap on the save option. So friends, when you want to take a selfie, simply you just need to enable this option. You just need to enable this option, and when you take a selfie, your default saved settings will apply on your pictures when you will take selfies from your front camera. So friends, I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. You must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.